and I want YouTube, I swipe it to the right. Yes. Close shots on the videos really give you good reality, man. Hello guys, welcome to the Bang for the Buck channel. Guys, just look around you. Everyone is crazy about buying new smartphones, from Samsung S10 series, the new Huawei series. Is there a bang for the buck smartphone around in this world? So I searched and I came to this product right here. Now the price of this LG G8 model is not confirmed yet in the international market, but it will start from the $800 range, which is $150 to $160 cheaper than the Samsung S10 model. So I was using this for the last 1 week, and I came to one conclusion, that Samsung S10 Plus may be the steakhouse in the smartphone world, but this LG G8 is like a reasonable, cheap, very delicious, all-you-can-eat buffet that you can ever dream of, guys. First is the sound, second is the cameras, and third is the new hand recognition technology that LG has made for this phone. So let me start the review. Not many people are concerned about the sound, but this uses a hi-fi quad DAC, which is really interesting. The sound is enormous, guys. It's like the sound that comes from heaven. So this DTS 3D surround is just like the Samsung S10 or S10 Plus's Dolby ATMOS feature, but this hi-fi quad DAC, you see, optimized audio quality to be close to the original. This is really killing it. DAC is a technology in CD players and many other audio sources that deliver great sound from digital to an analog. People who watch my Galaxy Buds review will kind of have an understanding how sensitive my ears are. I've been using so many headphones, just like this SHURE SRH440, the Sennheiser HT600, which is in the verge of being an expert or being an amateur, which is a very good headphone. I still use CD players and I still use a headphone amplifier to make me really satisfied in music. I'll just listen to Sam Smith that you guys all know about, the Lay Me Down. So I'll be changing it to hi-fi quad DAC right here. Oh, you have to turn the volume down. The vocal booster, the treble booster, you can change it to bass booster. Oh, the bass booster is really great. Just imagine you're in a 2,000, 3,000 seat concert. You just go in, everything's so black, you sit down, and suddenly a famous singer like Sam Smith comes up on stage, he sits on the piano, he starts to play the piano, and then you hear that real, original, authentic, orthodox sound. He starts to sing, and then you're the one who's listening to it, and then everything's black, and then the atmosphere is so tight, the music just booms back into your ears. Testing the hi-fi quad DAC with the earphones the LG gives, this is fantastic. You know the famous song Stay With Me, you know how the drums comes in first? The drum, you hear a very detailed drum, like ting, 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 and then it's not shallow. If you use Bluetooth earphones, it will not work on that. So you have to use the DTS 3D surround for Bluetooth. The sound does not come from the microphone, it comes from the whole screen and the whole device, which is really cool to hear. Oh, so as you touch the screens, I feel the vibrant, man. I mean, it's vibrant. And then as you touch here, oh, I feel the boom baps. For those of you who watched my S10 Plus review, I complimented so much about the cameras. So in compared to that, in the relative to that, I will give like 70 to 80 points. First selfie camera on the front is embedded inside here, very smooth. And there are 3 cameras here, right? For ultra wide shots, for telephoto shots, also embedded inside the design, very smooth. The details of the out-focusing shots are really okay. I mean, the quality of the camera does not so much differ with other new smartphones. From wide angle to normal to telephoto to 10x zoom, it will pretty much satisfy you. Of course, the 10x zoom shows some noise even though it was a very clear day. When shooting the video, you can focus on the person and make everything else go blur. It's real time, man. Real time out-focusing, very nice, but the subject will need to move a little slower. In the food camera mode, you can control the white balance, and the close shots on the videos really give you good reality, man. Just look at these jajangmyeons, it looks so delicious, isn't it? Yummy, man. Night view mode is satisfying. The picture with S10 Plus was taken 9 PM with some lights, but I took G8 on 12 PM with absolutely no lights around, but it delivered good quality. However, there is not a steady mode, so the camera will shake unless you have a good tripod or stabilizer. Guys, have you ever imagined a world when you do not touch smartphones, but you can actually use them without touching them, just swiping them, making gestures? I mean, LG has gave that little try. I like the face unlock. I mean, it unlocks it really easy. Unlock. Yes! Unlocks right here. You have the circle that wants to recognize your palm like this. Boom. It recognizes your hand. Oh, it works. It opens really quick. Wow, this is a real great technology. But the problem is that this only works in one direction. If I have it in a different direction like this, and then I do it here, yeah, it's not recognizing my palm. You are on your home screen or in an app. You can swipe in the air to open an app or pinch all your fingers to take a screenshot. And you have the control music and videos. I'm trying to make the AirMotion work. Come on, let's do it. Let's do it.
No, what are you waiting for? Do it!
Yes. Here I see the play music on the left and YouTube icon on the right, and I want YouTube, I swipe it to the right. Yes. So we have, so basically I can control by moving my fingers. This took me 15 minutes, literally it's taking a little long, but I actually have shown you how AirMotion works like this. It's convenient, but it's not gonna work so well. So in this G8 review, I've mentioned all the pros and cons on the top 3 categories. The sound are fantastic. The cameras are more than just average. The AirMotion itself, a great technology to start with, but not a perfect completed technology that anybody can use really easy. Just register your palm and then you can use it as an option with your fingerprints, your patterns. I'll come back with another great bang for the buck product. See ya!